Hello, lovely people! Today we're going to make marbled ornaments. You need 3 kinds of paint, acrylic paint. I'm using 2 regular colors and a metallic. You need a cup, an ornament, and a piece of paper towel. And I'll explain why in a little bit. So, I'm opening the paint. And this is very simple. You just pull the tab out of the ornament and set it aside for later, because you will need it again. So start with your first color and gently pour it down the side of the ornament. You don't need a lot, you just need to cover that side of the ornament. I found adding more paint didn't make it any easier or any more difficult. It just wasted a lot of paint. So pour it down the side and then turn the ornament over so that you pour paint down the opposite side of the ornament. As you can see, I'm just letting it flow down the side until it almost gets to the bottom, and then I stop. So I'm flipping the ornament again and I'm adding it to the third side. Or I will be in a second. There we go. So it's dripping down. What you want to do is cover the sides of the ornament. You don't want to just pour the paint so that it pools at the bottom. You want to cover each side of the ornament with your color. And it doesn't matter what design. You can cover more than 4 sides. You can cover less than 4 sides. You can do whatever design that you want to do. Just pour enough paint that it covers each side, that it runs down the inside of the ornament. I'm adding the blue, and I'm basically just doing the same thing with the blue. I'm going in between the pink stripes and putting a blue stripe. Once you get the hang of it, it's really simple to do. The paint just automatically flows down the inside of the ornament. I just rested the little knob where the paint comes out. I just rested that along the inside of the inside edge of the ornament and let it glide down that way. So I'm going to add a little bit of silver. But silver tends to take over on these ornaments, so I'm not going to add as much as I did the pink and the blue. So we're done with the paint. And all we need to do now is fold the paper towel, and we're going to put that over the top of the ornament, just so that when we hold the ornament, paint doesn't come flying out. And shake. Shake, 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 shake your booty while you do your ornament. Shake, shake, shake. You gotta keep shaking that ornament. Shake, shake, shake. Once you think you've shaken it enough, keep shaking it some more. Shake, shake, shake. See how much I'm shaking it? And basically what I'm doing is covering the inside of the ornament that we didn't get with the paint. We're shaking the paint so that it covers all of the empty glass spaces, but it also kind of softens those lines so that it looks more marbled rather than striped. Now, if you wanted it to be striped, you could have left it that way, I suppose. But I wanted softer lines and more of a marbled effect. So I shook some more, and I shook some more, and I shook that ornament like crazy. You keep shaking it, baby. Still not done, I gotta shake it some more. There's a lot of shaking involved in this process. And you can see that the lines are softening up. So you remove the paper towel when you're happy with the outcome. And then all you need to do is take your cup, flip your ornament upside down so that it can drain, and set it in the cup. Leave it there overnight, and then you have a beautiful ornament. I appreciate you watching this video, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Give these ornaments a try. They're super easy and they turn out beautifully.